Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play multiplayer in the Forest game. First, launch the Forest from your preferred platform. Once the game loads, navigate to the main menu and select the multiplayer option. From there, you'll have two main choices: either host a new game for friends or join an existing session. This initial step sets the stage for your cooperative survival adventure. If you choose to host, you'll become the session leader. You can customize various game settings, including difficulty, and whether player versus player combat is enabled. Decide if your game will be public, allowing anyone to join, or private, requiring invitations. Once settings are finalized, invite your friends directly through your platform's friend system to begin your shared experience. To join an existing game, select the Join Game option from the multiplayer menu. You'll see a list of available public sessions. If your friend is hosting a private game, you might need to search for their specific session or accept an invitation. Be prepared to enter a password if the host has set one, ensuring only invited players can join the survival challenge. Once in the game, communication is key for successful multiplayer. Use voice chat or text to coordinate with your teammates. Share essential resources like food, water, and crafting materials to ensure everyone thrives. Work together to build a secure base and strategize against the island's many dangers. Cooperation significantly increases your chances of survival in the forest.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.